Hello, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today we're going to do some service work on our 10.7 Everchill refrigerator. And some of the tools you'll need is a screw gun with a Phillips bit and a small screwdriver. And now we'll remove and replace the components in the back of the refrigerator. The first thing we're going to need to do is remove the back grill. You have 4 screws holding the grill in place. Then we have 2 components. You have a circuit board inside this enclosure, and then you have a compressor board attached right to compressor. Now we'll move on to our compressor board. You have 1 screw right here. Remove that. And when you pull this out, there's a plug behind here. You take your screwdriver and just pry that plug off. Pull this out, and you're going to remove your ground and your power and your signal wire and signal ground. Now you've removed your compressor board. Now to reinstall it, I recommend installing it on the compressor before you make your connections with your spade terminals. Plug this back into the side of the compressor. Make sure that's seated all the way onto the compressor. And there's a little tab in the back that we need to hook the compressor board into. And then slide it back over to the line and screw hole. Now you can make your electrical connections. The top one is your ground. Second one's going to be your 12 volts. And then you got your signal power and signal ground. Now you can reinstall your back grill. And that is how you service the components on the 10.7 Everchill refrigerator.